Welcome to a new video, and here we're gonna be playing Solar Smash. So, get in. System Smash or Planet Smash? I'll go Planet Smash for now. System Smash will be in another video. Okay, I will choose this. Woo! You got Mars. Span category. Okay. Woo. That's a good one. Planet selection. Earth. Okay. So, this is my childhood game, and let's see. This will be North America, and then that's South America. So, bye bye, South America. Woo! That's a big one. And, oh! Yes, let's reset the planet. So, my homeland should be right here. This, Philippines. And yeah, let's destroy the planet. Celestial? Celestial smite. Oh! We're controlling it. Let's go. Oh! Nah, the punches are too strong. Let's punch it to death. Woo! The breeze. Wait, but well, let's destroy the sun. Well, let's do that later after we destroy this. This kind of boring. Let's not use Celestial Smite. Let's use Doge. I will use Doge. It's not allowed yet. Okay. Celestial. Woo! There's a Celestial right there. Another one. Another one. Wow. Celestials are OP. Just use this. Woo! Wow. What is mining drill? No, everybody died. Okay. Um. I like using the vortex to destroy the planet, so we're gonna use that to finish it off. Oh! You're cooked. You're cooked. It's destroyed. Oh, I got XP. Now, let's target the biggest planet, Jupiter. There's an ad. Oh, Jupiter. It's at the battleship. A lot of them. I know there's a dragon, but I don't know where it is. You can control the dragon. Moon. It's actually not working because most of Jupiter is made of gas, so it's not really gonna be damaged. Where's the moon? I'm gonna put it here. Oh, that's the Earth. That ain't the moon. Oh, that's the size difference. Okay. The moon's way smaller. Spam Earths. Nah, Jupiter's cooked. Summon a black hole. Look, it gets bigger and bigger as it sucks. Infinite void of Gojo. Little meteor sour. Woo! It's like tiny bullets. Striking. Anyways, let's finish this planet off with Vortex. Also, gonna use Celestials. I will use Celestial Vortex. I mean, Celestial Smite. Nah, I'm weak. Anyways, what's this? Abyss Devour? Abyssal Devour. Jupiter's cooked. Nah, it's like from Stranger Things. This is creepy and gross. Wait, it's regenerating from its extreme gas. Anyways, let's pick. Anyways, pick Candy. This is gonna be the last planet that we're gonna destroy, and after this, I'm gonna make a part 2. So, let's try Monarch, Leviathan. Why not Swarm 2? Woo! Nah. Energy Beam. Whoa. Freeze Ray. Oh, Plasma. Oh, okay. Kinetic Artillery. Nah, it's bullets. Now, look at that centipede thingy. Oh, wait. I will shoot the sun now with this Gauss cannon. Nice. I can't shoot the sun. Why can't I shoot the sun? So, this again, destroy the sun. So, after this, yeah, it's gonna be the end of the video. So, let's just destroy it. Let's use the Doge. Use the Doge. Can we use the Doge? Oh, Doge! Doges. Doge uses laser beam. Oh, Doges are OP when they're a lot. When they're in the army. Look at the lasers. Polygon entity. What's this? What's it gonna do? Oh, wait, no way. Oh, that's not OP, but I'll take it. Ooh, laser beams. Okay, it's time to finish it off. Vortex. Okay. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. And if you want me to do another video like this, Just subscribe, and like and comments. Anyways, bye.